Cinema you send you search your way.
Oh, boy. Savior. Danny English.
Yes. What?
Big it up, big man. Respect here, sir.
Yeah, man, big up the whole of England, man. You know the whole thing, man. Big up the whole Jamaica.
Yeah, man. I know you're a place. Are you name English?
Yeah, man. I feel big up England.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Boy. First of all, big man, I just want to say thank you and respect and relay my gratitude for spending your time here with us today to go into a chatbot reggae session. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a chatbot reggae session with the great.
It's a pleasure, brother.
Danny English. Very underrated, one of the baddest thing out there. Said.
Yeah, they know, man. They know that. No doubt.
Yes,
they know.
Yes, I am.
Straight.
So before, yeah, man. So before we start the talk, I just want you to please introduce yourself to the people, and tell them a little about yourself, or a lot about yourself.
Well, you know, say I want Danny English, man, and you know the whole thing set, man. I born for this and a music with one. You don't know the Kingston, Jamaica. And we link up with the top dog, you know, Candyman, the real man, say you don't know. I want English language boss, man, you don't know. Salute to everybody who joined on the live, you know.
Yeah.
This is going to be epic.
Definitely. The history where I get out of these people, the talk, not going normal. See it?
Straight.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, there's so much I'd like to say about Danny English, but most of us know him for, you know, he did a lot of work with Q45, and we know him for many of the duets that he did with Eggnog, because you have Shaka Demas Pliers, Jigsy King Tony Curtis, Tanto Metro Devante, and of course, Buju and Wayne Wonder. And in that little group, a duo, you have to have Danny English Eggnog, because you can't talk about reggae combination without mentioning them two artists. You see me? So
you know the thing,
yeah, man.
In real life.
A great pleasure. See it?
Straight from.
So I'll have to say, the earliest 45 minute date from Danny English was 1999. I'm not aware of anything earlier than that. Am I correct? Was that your first time coming out?
Yes, Jaja. But me been I do the thing like stage shows.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? When them never voice me take it to the street, you know?
Yeah.
And start make my name on the stage show them. Anyone me hear say the little stage show them and the major stage show them, we try find them,
Yeah.
Because them now voice me, I rather write up in the Star and the Cleaner car and still promotion, get my name out there.
Yeah.
Try make the brand in English, you see what I mean?
Yeah, of course. Mm-hmm.
But take the street when them wasn't voicing me.
Mm.
So I mean,
that's interesting.
Them never did advise me. And I tell you, probably my style is too advanced to them never understand it.
Yes.
You see what I mean?
Because
so, you have to take it a different road. You have to take it live. You see what I mean? And then I succumb to me Q45, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, stage show, brother. Me start dominate the street and name start calling everybody want who name English now.
Yes.
So what I mean?
Yes.
So when we start, you know, there was a show at Cactus. Dave Kelly keep it. Yeah, named Jai and Earl from Cactus called me and say, yo, big show keep me need upon it. And I say, what? Big show? I want you to reach it from early blood. early. You reach before all the Patriots step.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? Yeah, I reach before everybody and then at the car park I go all a vibe and a bonus with my brethren. And I wait till the crowd I build up,
Yeah.
And you know, we do a thing like a star. We make it look like you step out of something out of the car park when you've been there a long time. So you don't know. So me just step out when the crowd and everything up now and step in like a superstar. I will still have to do the thing where the superstar will step out like a star.
Of course.
Yeah, make it get the scene.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Let me.
Then the show start.
Yeah,
I
man.
know too, you don't know. Me now have no name. Me I try make the brand Danny English out there. Was about the fourth person work. Cause you know the no-name artists like myself, I try to look a name out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was about 6 away for working. But after me work, the other two no-name artists couldn't work because the bar when me raise it to, it have to go right to start time, brother.
Chano.
You see me? Yeah. And that night there, that night them I met my name, brother.
Yeah.
After that, Q45 finally.
Seeing. This was
and then
this was in 99, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the early part, brother.
Yeah.
And then Q45 this.
Uh-oh. No. All right. Look, same drop out. Gonna give a few minutes. He might just come back in. If not, we're gonna log out, come back in again, and boom, boom, boom. All right, boom. He's gone for a minute, so. Let's try and do this again. So, Danny, when you're ready, link up again. So, yeah, man. So, big up everybody in there, all over the world. We're tuning in from Jamaica, UK. Yeah, I was in Port. I did see him. I roll up some little some medicine. So, me never did one for interrupt the floor. So, when him rope in back again, we'll tell him to deal with the camera. Yeah, King Smiley. I'm from UK, London. Yeah, man. Candyman 5 shop. See it? What I do, I'm a reggae dancehall collector, and I collect vinyl. And I play when I play a dance, and I'm sitting there, we play some different tunes. So what we're doing now, we're speaking to some unsung legends in the reggae dancehall music game. And one of the biggest unsung legends in the reggae dancehall music game is Danny English. So this is why this is important for me to get this out there, because we know why we know him, but we need to know him deeper in terms of the catalog of his music. I am deep and the flows and tune them. But so Danny English, welcome back. Yes, welcome back.
No, I don't know. I don't know what kind of fornication going on a while ago. But you don't know again. Yeah. As I say, when we do that show the night, no way, no wonder, no Baby Sham, none of Dave Kelly artists, them couldn't even walk near me. No apology. You see what I mean? I take the show the night by storm, brother. The night there, me build this slang name, Shallah.
Yes. Don't violate my law.
Them times, James Kelly, them have a forward where them are work with. Hey.
Yeah.
Go and do the fun.
Yo, I beg you fix up the camera. I beg you fix up the camera so we can't see you. Yeah. Boom.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. All right. See me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me set it up the proper way.
Yeah, boom. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shallah, don't violate my law. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like the forward was, hey. I may say, yo, I don't like that. Hey, I feel them boy there. So you know a little troublemaker always in the crowd, don't it? So they must say, so what if you said then? Out of the blues, me stand up, I don't know what to say. I mean, just say, Shallah. And when I say Shallah, I feel a warm welcome, like it's a cool breeze just blow upon me. And the whole crowd say, Shallah. Yo, you see the Shallah? It changed my life. So it's like, when we take the show now and the backstage and thing, yo, people from all over the media run coming up. Yo, it epic. Yo, I can't believe. That night there, me feel the glory.
Yes.
Feel the glory. Believe me. And then about a week after, Q45 same have a rhythm. When name again? It was an Ice Pick, the one before Ice Pick.
No, the one before that was ring off this Dirty Money.
Dirty Money.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a king on it. To them make me go so wow. They just want to see me from a door. Them see me very so slow, very interested. Wow,
Wow,
wow.
wow.
You know what the noisy get slow to that door. Ray B, pass,
lost it up.
never bust me, you know, but here we go. It give me the attention.
Yeah.
The voice, everybody, every time them play on the radio, them say, more I know the brother here with that voice. Who's Danny English? The big question sign the back of me. Everybody want to know Danny English now.
Yeah.
Because that song, it wasn't a bus song, but it get me popular.
Yes.
In the music part now, where the brand English now start get recognition.
Yes.
And so it's like, you know, me at the street don't love me, so I continue to do the street.
Yeah.
And when I do the street, a lot of producers now start come find me and thing, and I say, them have this rhythm, them have this. So I take time, I go and pick and two of them rhythm. But remember, one of them, they run me out time studio, you know.
Mm-hmm.
After me in the studio, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Even before that, let me tell you what go on, man. God almighty, hear this now. The party, I feel hear that party.
Yeah,
you know, so the day when they run me out of the studio, they have an artist in there, and they have the artist in there about 2.5 hours voice a song, and the man that you voice a punchline. So that was mixing lab studio, you know.
Yeah,
so
mixing lab.
So there was an engineer named Chester.
Mm-hmm.
See, it was Chester. So it's when Chester said, yo, a bad DJ sit down outside named Danny English, you know. Not same call him, man, Chester, same call me. I said, English. I said to the youth, yo, come from around the voice, you know. I said, English, go around the voice.
Mm-hmm.
The brother hear me jump on it, man, the way me hungry for voice, man. I go, one chat, the man, I'm come around and analyze the song. The man say, yo, who invited for me studio time? Come out. Come out of my studio time. I never invite you. And Chester, rub off with some. I said, Judge. Anyway, we come out time studio time. I know my studio time.
Yeah.
Feel away still, but here we go on. I'm going to go prove a part and show him, say, yo, your artist are baby, I'm not ready yet. I show you, go on, you know. This is before even Q45, you know.
Yeah.
You see, the next week, the dead again. And guess who in the studio have voice? Some artists, I produce some artists. Not Shaggy. Chester sent again now.
Yes.
So we go in there and see Shaggy. Me say, Shaggy. Chester say, more up on the rhythm, you know. Shaggy. Yo. Shaggy say, me here where you have. I'm a vibe at tune. I say, who will get the bigger buses here? Millennium start and I open up here because the big cake out there. I'm ready for me shake. Tell the DJ boss say, don't interfere. Shaggy say, you know, me love that melody. They got me like that song there. And the studio time then, but come back tomorrow. When him say come back tomorrow, yo, we leave the studio with the rhythm in my head. Leave the studio literally with the rhythm in my head.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? It's then I'm later box. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go write a song. I say, girl, you're looking good in your shorts. Hey, I wouldn't mind me to take it off. If I not say you're looking chicken, but I write and yo, at the first level I'm going to bed and dine for see tomorrow. The great Shaggy that. And I come to boom. And for the next day, yo, at the first level I get up and bed early.
Yeah.
I put on clothes and just dine to see 12 o'clock. Left out. Yo, so I reach the studio. Tanto, Metro and Devontae have voice, brother.
Yeah.
And when them in their voice, them use about 8 track when I did 9 track, brother. When the man them done a 1 track left, you know?
Yeah.
1 track left. I said, Chacha, the way me hungry for voice, nothing being about double track, you know, I just want to go on the voice. So I go around there and put the earphone on my head, it not come off until it's done in a 1 go. No mistake, no make. 1 go. And I come round. So I come round.
Yeah.
Shaggy, woman at the time, I don't know her name. Only thing she depend. Where you get that voice there? What the fuck voice? The girl fascinated. Right now, me feel like she that make my voice feel overrated the day. Me never that bring no voice. I'm going to say me can't DJ now.
Yeah.
Believe me. Me never, when people tell me say me have the baddest voice, me never afraid that. Me no business with that. Me just want to sing, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Because you see your voice unique. You don't sound like nobody. Nobody don't sound like that.
No, brother.
From when we hear the voice the first time, and we are going to play the tune, by the way. But when we hear the voice the first time, I realize, yo, I owe this. You know what I mean? And just so you know, so when we get tuned, especially from 45, a lot of the time, you know, certain producer just fling out the tune, and for unknown artists, they'd put a big artist, and then the unknown artist would on the flip side. But the tune when we get for Danny English didn't have no artist on the back.
No, we never need nobody.
Yeah, man.
The way to me take care, man, it would have burned down them, man. It would have mashed up them shoulder and them head, man. Come let me tell you, yo, Shaggy, me love him. God no, I not even know, yo.
Yeah.
The man look at me. The man look at me like an alien, brother. The voice of the man just love me, brother. Yo, people ask me when me eat, you know. If me eat regular food like them, you know. Cause them say what kind. Them say, yo, you know, spit blood like Buju. You know, I'm gonna say, Buju no spit blood, brother. Aroma. Them say, you know, spit blood. I'm gonna tell them, say, no, not care how you hear me at DJ and it sound rough. I'm DJing easy. It's so easy, brother.
Easy enough,
Not care how you hear Husky. Me a DJ easy like how me a talk right now. There's no pressure to my voice, nothing. I'm a DJ from down. Me never DJ from a short, brother. You see what I mean? And the two greatest DJ when me sit down and study, you know Shabba Ranks and Buju Banton.
Of course.
I just merge the voice them with my voice.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? I'm just me. See? Just like
you have a voice where it's coming like a lion roar. You see me?
Yes.
So when we hear that in English, it's like, you know.
I'm going to tell you the go on to go. Me never just use the voice and I merge them. Me come and catch piece of America with the Yankee sound and come over England, come get the Cockney and mix it to the fat one now. And come so and compact everything with the voice. Yo.
We will get into that. We will get into that.
Yo.
But you know, Danny, one of the wickedest things I have to say, because for me, you know what we do here on Chat About Reggae. I stick a pin in 5 songs to ask the DJ about the story behind the tune them. So when it came to you, it was very difficult to pick out just 5 because the tune them bad. And one of the wickedest thing is, it's a joke thing where they talk about the tune with them shots that your voice over at Big Yard with Shaggy them, because that was one of the tunes we really want to talk about. So just give me the history of what we played the tune, but I'm gonna put in our next tune, so I still get still talk about with 5. See?
Let me tell you about that. You see that now? You see, we didn't have the melody already.
Yeah.
We didn't have the melody. Cause it was that song I said, who will get the bigger buses here? The start and I open up a here because you know it come to the millennium that time. It come to 2000.
Yes.
So watch this now. Here comes up. I remember, say, me and my brethren did a race to get a girl where we see in our sexy shots and the girl. Let me tell you, the girl sexy. Sexy. I'm pretty back at that. And I said, Jaja, you know, say, loser far, you know. Watch this now. This girl, and I said, God, no, I don't know what to say. Same time when I go home, you know, me see the girl when I go home, she never that talk to me, do just see her. And the song just come like me, I say, girl, you looking good in your shorts. Hey, I wouldn't mind me, you take it off. When they tell me, say you're looking drinking, but I never did believe him when they see you may not stop, bus club. What a piece of traffic, crashing traffic, blocking people, last year, the way your bumper rolling. What's yo, I'm saying, the way the song comes so natural. Watch this now. Let's go into the studio and I want to take boop.
Yeah, of course.
And the song comes so boop. I'm my first big song that you know.
Wow. Yeah, that's mad.
Big
that's
song.
Mad.
Yo, it go mash up Germany.
Yeah.
Till me got do the Germany festival with Shaggy, you know. Man, are the sweetest thing for see me go up on a plane. I say me and the Dan there, you know.
Yeah.
Me and the general. We go there go buck up on some different artists. You know, nobody don't know me. So when me go there, let me tell you this. To a one song me have. When me go up on the show, you know. Me don't know what to think we there in a strange land, them not talk my language. You know me do? But that's what some if them can play rock rhythm. You know them white people rhythm that nice rhythm. So me say, oh, I don't know, I'm going to create a fusion for myself on stage. I just DJ 8 bar and then the band just, I'm just handing that the air and get the whole place in that friends and with them in that friends, me just go sing back and next 8 bar in the next song and face and guess what? I mash up the whole place in it. And you say, me drive girl in your shorts, brother. That was the song now with them. No.
Yes.
Of white people that dance like, hey, the line where people come for the dub plate. Long from Brixton, so straight down the line long, brother, and a little 10 to the dub, brother. The line long. I'm gonna say, yo, one song to this? Yo, me sing one song about 200 times, brother. And I straight I first now make real money now, you know.
Yeah.
Real money now, make now, you know.
See?
I said, yo,
what's out of the gate from, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, and then the magic here got coming in now. 2000. Magic.
We're gonna get there. We are going to get there. Daddy, I beg you. Hold on there. First, right? Hold on there. We're gonna get there.
All right.
So, all right. Let me play the first song I'm gonna play is 99, okay?
Yes.
So I'm gonna play the tune. You did mention it before. You said you did your vice tune with him. Whoa. On the Dirty Money rhythm with 245. That was a Steely and Cleavage production, all right? So I'm going to play another song, also produced by Steely and Cleavage, and this is, so you said that Whoa was your first song, your vice, no?
Yeah.
Right, all right. People?
No, Shaggy song was before Whoa, you know.
Really?
Shaggy song was before. Yeah, that was before Whoa, brother. Shaggy song was before.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So hold on. I'm gonna play this tune first, and then you can give me the history after, because the rhythm that I got before the Shaggy rhythm come out. But we'll talk about that later, because you know we need to get our time straight. But you're the artist, so you know. So we have all right. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the great living legend Danny English, because you know me on Candyman 45 shop. We're not waiting for a man to die before we start rating him and hailing him up. You know, chicken just passed out down door, and chicken bad. You know, yeah, man. So when it comes to you know, so the bad artists, them, and I'm not really, I don't like to chase up the hype artists with reggae. We need to talk to the real man, them that make reggae, dancehall music, everything, because there's all kind of ingredients. You see me? So anyway, I just want to pay homage, just, you know, sidetrack. All right, so first of all, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to play a tune by Danny English, and this is the first song that I ever bought with Danny English name on it. So, on ready? Listen to tune, yeah.
It's not. She's like a thing. Well, this is X time to the extreme. Some boy I live in a dream, but we're living it. I'm like a thing.
Everybody, you know.
Niggas wanna stick me for my dough. The way me ends up flow and my interest will grow. Wow. You want me kill those niggas really slow to the dough. Baby, fast, so like whoa. Niggas wanna stick me for my dough. The way me enter glow and me respect and show. Wow. You know we're gonna kill them really slow to the dough. Baby, fast, so like stepping up in life, yes, that's what I'm doing. Day by day, I see fatty face screwing. 2 millimeters, I rise up in them own ruin. Showing the time of spring. Fancy neighborhood, that's where my kids I'm living. I have to give thanks, double thanks, Thanksgiving. To whom my heart, to my one and only king. He make me the yapa, the big bone rhythm, so bow.
All right, let me give you a history about that now. The producer from England, you know.
Yeah.
The producer is from England.
Wow.
Him did have a crew. Him did have the crew when I work with you near
X-Con. Yeah.
Seeing my brethren them,
right? Yeah.
Excitement crew. Yeah. Watch this now. At the same show, them coming up. Them come at the concert when me there, you know. Them come for work, you know. And you see the way I deal with the show, the man said to them, ex-con said to them, more producer me now. Me need him. Go find him and bring him home. Believe me. The man rate me. I write that's my career that would have really started. It's when the man produces song, the man say, yo, him I go spend on the thing and make the thing look pretty. The man, the way the man love me, yo, homage to him. You see what I mean? Rest in peace, my boss. Watch this again.
Of course, yeah.
Everything nice and yo, me feel like me float from me meet the brother and vice to the brother. Me feel success.
Yes.
And then a couple months after the man crash and dead blood. Everything just everything yo, my spirit just go right down. And I said, what the shit? I said,
yeah, man, yeah.
Wow, go on. You see how long work I have to find a defender.
Yes, yeah.
I'm like, Jaja, wow, go on again.
That's mad.
I said, go back to the drawing board. I said, back to the drawing board. I said, stage show again.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? But them time, you know, Earlton, who was managing Lexus.
Yes.
He discovered me before too, you know, because he make you interested in. You see what I mean? Everything.
Yes, indeed.
I want to tell you, him was one of the man who said, him have a manage me.
Okay.
But here I go. Him have Lexus. And the man said to me, yo, can't have two bad artists in my camp and you see you problem. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So me so much like tell me, say, yo, I have a friend we're producing and him with a manager, you know. And I said, him say Q45. I'm say, you know, say somebody tell me say more see me. And he comes up and bring me to Q45.
Yeah.
And the man say, yo, Lexus too bad. And me bad with a problem.
Yeah.
And me about the problem. And that the man saying so I say, all right.
Yeah.
Me don't want no problem. My career nice. I don't want no problem. Me want everybody to be my friend.
Yes, of
course.
course.
Lexus to me. Because watch this now.
Yeah.
I got telling us some history. And my melody them time they bust the wall of them.
Whoa.
My melody. You see that wow melody?
Yeah.
Wow. Niggas, the first man started it is Baby Sham, you know. You see me rolling in my bed. Yeah. Even Mashallah, him take and say wow wow. You see what I mean? Enough, you know. Enough of me thing them using.
Yeah, what 21 did have a thing name enough of them.
The whole of them bust under me melody, brother. Come with other thing and say, yo, enough of them a flip up and a lip up and no. Them this me once, them this me twice, not the three and four. Enough of them they say them no want become not. Let me see me tell you, blood.
Yeah.
When I tell you say I might start, me come change the business with a deep sound there. Make everybody want DJ deep, brother. You lift them on in you lift them on give your book. They catch a girl in the app. The whole of them, brother.
Yes.
And them bust before me, you know. So ironic, you know.
Yes.
Them use the style and bust before me, brother. And you know that was not no problem to me. You know, if I find the word Shala, we call my sister and we go up at the university in Naz. I'm saying Naz. I needed to check out the word and tell me the meaning, right? No, it.
Wow. Yeah.
Call me back and say, you know what I mean? If God wills it.
Wow.
I'm saying, listen, Naz, we just bust. We're busting our music right now. We bust. She said, why you say that? Listen, the magic word that Shala is the magic word. God wills it. And God will it. And I know me, I do it out alone, and God, I do it.
Wow.
God, I'm mighty. Yo, I love God.
Wow.
And God wills it, man.
Of course. See, like how the word just come in on your head. Yeah, man.
Out of the blues. Watch this now. You know, say, when we did much younger, they write a song. When I write the song, I say, God, you know, someone, that song here, to create an impact and give me a light out there. And I write the song, I say, Almighty God, I'm calling on you, cause without you, I don't know what I would do. Sprinkle your blessings as it glide and go through. From all iniquity and evil people, God Almighty, the man of his Savior. You see what I mean? You see, when I come to a woman, say to rounded, you're rounded. Now, DJ, them style, they're nothing now, you know. Them style are for the future, you know.
Yeah.
You can't manage it right now, you know. How much of a go on, man? You know, so years after that round, it said, we are smokers, boy, doctor. I'm not saying,
Whoa!
you know, so when it come for highlight and inspire and teach and share. You see what I mean? Yeah. And watch this. That wasn't a problem for me. That was no problem with it. Me never feel no way, me never feel offended for war with no man. Watch what go on now. Watch this now. In my early school age, when I go Camperdown High School, it then a Arrow studio.
Yeah.
One day more going there, I write a song, the Ninja Kid in a uniform, school uniform. And it's one of the biggest songs to this day. They girl them request a long thing for pushing out them system. Who me a talk, no call it and chat. I mean, write it in my uniform in that 16 years. Yeah, in my 16 write that Dean brother. So you see from when I write it song then.
You know what? That the tune is Ninja Kid biggest tune.
Yeah.
Straight, me not lie. Biggest tune that.
I'm a friend now, but you see them time there. This one time and the one write a next song for you. Boom, 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 all the girl them. Grab up your boom.
Yeah, man.
You didn't have that, but you never have no lyrics. I was going to write some lyrics to him, but him style me, you know? Just breathe. Till one at the time now, you start writing for Ninja T and Delerance.
Yes. Whoa.
You remember them was a do it, eh?
Yes. Early. This was early on, right?
Early. That before me go started. Me are 16 them time, but them are the bigger youth me.
Yeah.
When me I go school, me I write for them. So you see, them time there, Buju, I'm a god.
Of course.
Buju Bantan. So me hear a new Buju, me have to write 2 songs. But here we the rate too. Fabulous.
Of course.
Fabulous did have a thing we say. But the girl song go again. Girl, if you want to sit down for me, buddy.
Don't stop you.
They in a party, you know. No lie, in a party, me there. I say me hear the song. You know, some walk out of the dance nice again. Alright, me go write a song. I say, girl, if you sit down for me cocky and you catch lockjaw. Remember, say you get the English something raw, girl, it but like a tree stump along like a straw. Yo, this song, let me go find song. I've left the dance. Party never nice again, not never nice. Me left there. And I'm gonna do that many times in a dance, you know, the right song.
Yeah.
Brother.
Wow.
Yo.
Wow.
Enough to speak. Me history start from school days, brother. You see what I mean? So it's like, you know me the born for this, brother.
Of course, clearly.
You see what I mean? Everybody can, all of them can tell us, true matter. So we don't need to tell life to them. Because me are right. You see what I mean?
Madness. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the legend that is Danny English. Just so we know it.
You see what I mean?
Yes, sir. All right.
Yo.
Boom. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go to our next song that you voiced in the year 2000, as you say, when things start to, you know. So as you know, because you've seen when I juggle tune, me try to play a tune different. You see me?
Yo, brother, different. Different, brother. Very different. Why you believe me full joy program? I launch me I do when we did there listening to Sunday now. Launch me and I will have vibes, brother. I go on Instagram, when I go on Instagram, and you say Candyman. Yo, I always watch up on IG and Facebook with them. They come with the 90s thing, and I say, yo, more listener, brother, you're live now, brother.
Respect, yo. Respect.
Yo, Sunday was the day. At Jamaica, everything happened. You know?
Yes,
It's
yes,
when
definitely.
you put up on the phone, you don't know until that day come here.
Definitely, definitely. Because I didn't want to chat to you the same way. Still, because when you went live with I spoke to you about this with Lexus, Alazid, and me don't remember the dread name, and Uno just burned down the whole place. So I say, yo, me have to draft the English enough. So when
that day the music don't feel good enough. Yeah, that day the music don't feel good. I'm say no, me still have to represent.
Yeah.
So I mean,
because it wasn't in there as much as the rest of them. So so now you say that you think it makes sense. Yeah. That's mad. All right. So we're gonna go to tune number 2. So this is this was a rhythm that came out on an album, because back in that time from 2000, you had Green Sleeves in England and you had VP Records in America, and lost him again. Yeah. All right. Boom. Yeah. So we had Green Sleeves in England. You had Jetstar and you had VP Records in America that were releasing these rhythm albums. So there was one rhythm album that came out, and your tune, for some reason, the 45 what you do, was not on the album. So I want to play this particular tune. And this is, you mentioned this before when you spoke about bringing in different accents into your thing, the American thing. But this is one where you were dropping the English twang in there. See it? So we're going to play this tune, and then you'll talk about it. All right. Boom. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, Danny English, we're going to go to the year of 2000 and In Time Records. So let's roll.
Hi, lady. Hi. I'd like to know your name. Look at the name. No. My name? SMC. All you got is two glasses.
Read him near bedroom.
What's the name of clothes? You look good in the clothes. I like the way you walk, the way you smile, the way you pose. You're rising on my sword, it's hearing on my clouds. The way you look good, lady, holy God, he knows. Girl, you know I like you, I really love to fight you. I really want to strike you, baby, can I do? Girl, I really want you, this time I'm gonna haunt you. Ready to twist and flaunt you, and I romantic. Girl, I like your style, yes, I love your flow. Girl, I like the way you walk and the way you go. Every time I see you, I just shout out, oh. It's good. English is my name, like a punk. Let me tell you this, every girl in my name keep on reminiscing, keep remembering the days of sending it on.
Wow! Yo, that. Hey, all right. See that? Let me tell you something. Yo, you see things in our life when I do it, people really, say, some girl approach me and I say, yo, why you talk to me not in a Jamaica? Why you talk to me not in a, I never know you can't talk that. I'm going to say, baby, Jano in a Jamaica? No, man, I shall say your mother have to talk to me. Yes. Yeah, man. Some girls, all right, one day I'm going to go for university. I wanna the trainee doctor then say me I'm faint. When she say me she faint. Whew. The way she love me, she can't believe it. And then she hear me talk. And when her friend say, say your voice she hear her faint, every time she hear she weak. I'm gonna say a lot. But me literally see she faint when she see me face to face.
Yeah.
And I say, what? I cut me cutting it. Can't me no one problem in it. And then the girl them call me and say, no, say your voice here and faint every time she hear your man she weak. Yo, Jaja. Yo, when people are up to them time, they still not acknowledge them have a voice for everybody. Love no must know who can DJ, God Almighty. Me no know whether me never know.
Yeah.
And when them say, yo, your voice bad, I say, but no, I lose my nice and them body.
Definitely.
I just do me.
Definitely.
Long it take me to figure out. So I sit down and listen to some English now. I'm not to sit down and listen to something. I want them to say, I will English. Dog, brother, when me sit down and I listen, me not talk to me there dance and I hear. I talk about sit down and speak and I will vibe.
Yeah.
And I looked at me and I said, where the fuck? What kind of voice that? Yo, me just acknowledge everything that people have said. I said, oh, me see why they must have made the body fight. Hey, Barry give me an interview, you know, who the man compare me with, brother? Barry White.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
sir, watch this now.
Big
They don't know, so me they have Jersey. They have, not Jersey. They have Queens.
Yeah.
Cabra did do a show. And him never turn up. But me, I was sure. In Brooklyn, the weekend. Like the Sunday.
Yeah.
And that show you the Friday. And my virgin call me and say, yo, me care to a brother. I keep a show about Cabra and I come go step up people. And I go there and the man said, Chacha, yes. And the man said, radio station right away. And we talk about it and tell him, say, yeah, I'm going to go there the night and a Cabra, yo.
Yeah.
Jerry will come on my concert, brother. Jerry will turn up at the concert, yo. The man sent to him security if he come for me after I'm done work, brother. The man said, yo, the man said, I want to meet you. And when we go there, the man stand up and look for me and I say, yo. And I said, no, you use 10 voice, you know, me use 1 voice. And 1 voice, you know. Yeah, yo, the man said every time him hear me, he might wonder if I him. I say, so ironic, you know.
Similar.
Me do a tune. Me do over back him song for Sony, you know. Then me do over back a song, you know, with a girl from America, you know.
Wow.
Never know. Yeah, man, big up the whole of 35 layer, man, from England.
Yeah, man,
you know, yeah,
yo,
man, me see them from the
English. We got a minute, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log out and log back in so we can continue. See me? I'm loving the vibes, so loving the vibes, cause Instagram I'm gonna keep me out looking more, yeah? So boom,
yes, brother.
We'll log out everybody and everybody tuning in. Send the people them the link. This is history. You hear me? You never did know say. We are gonna come with the heat. This is Danny English in the hot seat. Chat about reggae, Candyman 45 shop. So anyway, we're gonna log out and come back in. Yeah, man, you know. Me have a gun song where we did one play, but I'm in 2 minds. We never know. All right, hold on. We'll come back in. See?
No, so right. Everything up.
Yeah, man. All right, cool. All right, boom. Look more.
Yeah.
Law, that's my law. Brain, oh, it's all about my sex law. My brain, my eyes by surprise. My brain, I'm stuck is tight. My brain is Nobody a rumor, them a spread rasta, no say them fi fed. Them see they ganja baby and a call man crack. They make me meditate a lot, the memories la by the pack. Make me burn me sense me la till me eyes them like a be a rumor, them a spread rasta, no say them fi fed. Them see they ganja baby and a call man crack. They make me meditate a lot, the memories la by the pack. Make me burn me sense me la till me eyes them. Now we leave me eyes by surprise, you know me brains it collide. Ganja when me bun, he give me a decent vibe. He give me the boots as a road, only me one realize. No matter with the excitement. Left ya with the vibe, maybe after a time will always bring a surprise. You will get hit and you're looking from the public eyes. You get this feeling and you jolly cannot be described. Me burn me sense me. Probably a rumor them a spread rasta, no say them fi fly up. Them see the ganja baby and a call man cracking. They make me meditate and that the memories la by the pack. Make me burn me sense me la till me eyes them like a be a rumor them a spread rasta.
Yo, welcome back, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, see the ganja baby here, Danny English.
Yes, fully. I know right now we have the highest grade of Buntu. Straight.
So,
yeah,
man, oh man. So, all right then. So, I wanted to play, there was a rhythm that came out on Q45, right? And you did your 3 songs on the rhythm, yeah?
Yeah.
And the rhythm was released in 2001. Bad rhythm. Again, I know Steven and Cleaver used to produce a lot for Q45. And this rhythm we did.
Him alone, man. Him alone. Q45.
Scene. All right. Okay. So, this one is actually my favorite Danny English tune of all time. So I have to play this one. All right. Again, just like the last one we did clear, it was on an rhythm album, but this tune was not on the album for some strange reason. So you did Vice 3 song on it, but I have to play this one and we have to talk about it. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go into song number 3 for Danny English, and here we go.
Salam! No, that's my lord, don't violate my law, okay? I'm for Y2K. Nice! Like that, in this again. Like this, you know. Why me no pull up me no name goal in laptop? Why me no rock love and pro and plateau? Why me no kill me no name outside as prato? Why don't sit among the gun? Why told girl it in a bed that's slap? Why Batman now visit by gunshot? Why Jesus Christ get bitchy by Judas? Why they give us the fiction and they then they pass? When will Babylon realize we am Jim? When will Babylon know we have self-esteem? When will Babylon know we have to rise up as a team? And if them can't hear this trip, then when don't get the answer to my who's and my way, let me know. Get no answer to my why, no way, let it go. When the truth is the words, if it's let it go. And then nothing you better take this one down below. Get no answer to my who's and my way, let me know. Get no answer to my why, no way, let it go.
You see this, brother? You know that, brother. I'm one of the baddest English brother. Yo, you know, say that song there is not a year ago go on. I never write that song, you know.
Really?
Every day me just get up. Every day me just get up and just why me no go up, me no name go like. Why me no rock me love go through and flat? Why me no kill me no name upset? Me no know. Every day me just add to it.
Yeah.
And then a brother come to me. One Rasta brother. Same time me and him love reason, man. Him highly educated brother. And the man said to me, the who's, the when, the those. The man said, where are they? The man said, why? Interview Nadu. Yeah. So it's like, man said, Jaja. The man said, you build a song? The man said, if you build a song, it's going to be the baddest song. At the strangest punchline this them about here in our history. I said, what you say? You got no answer to my who's and my way, let me know. Got no answer to my whys and my way, let me know. And when I told these few words, if you try to let it go, I'm not going to never do it. Hey, I never make him hear the song, you know. You know, when me hear the rhythm, that wasn't the first song, you know.
Yeah, Bun Part 2 and you have a
elephant. Yeah. What you go on, huh? I tell me the woman I play the rhythm in the same rhythm in I said, Chacha, I'm gonna come some woman call the engineer and say, dog, I have the song now. You see, me never like them song, they're not telling about that song there.
Yeah.
You know, all song guys, me never like them, you know. Me never want to do no bun yet. Me never want to do the bun song from the rhythm there either.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? But Q said him love that song.
Yeah.
And him are the producer, so you know what? You have to give the producer's choice better.
Oh, hold on then. Some of the people in myself fix up the camera where you are, the phone, so we can see you nice. Yeah, boom.
Yeah, my good there.
Yeah.
All right.
Respect. Yeah, boom. Yeah, nice. It's nice.
Yeah. It's nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, the thing drop and then you know say Mikey I said, John, you know say come like that song I'm better than everything and really man. I said, no. This was different.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
When it drop, brother. Yo, when it drop, I tell you say, them poor holy night, man. Come like the next song. The bun bad, you know.
Yeah, bad.
The bun bad, but it's bad, brother, but never like it.
Really?
This, you know.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Well, out of the two, yeah, definitely.
Q the name the song this, so
yeah.
And I'm the producer.
Yeah.
So I mean, but I did my love one that.
Yeah,
the other one is different.
Love it, different.
That different, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
Different. Chat job, yo. I say, go man, yo, my voice, let me tell you what. Let me do a thing again now. Shaggy again. Sexy lady rhythm.
Yes. Combination tune that, though.
Yes, man. I give them a warm time, you know, on the rhythm, you know. You see when that drop into the Spanish, the downtown Bronx and the Spanish neighborhood, brother. You dead there, you know. You see the neighborhood when bridging them live, when brother. What is their name from over there? The big movie star. I should sing. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
Jennifer Lopez.
Yeah. Jennifer Lopez born 2 blocks down the road and the building where she did bank on.
Yes.
She buy it.
Yeah, because that's my ex-wife. Yeah, that's my ex-wife.
Yeah.
Yeah, my ex-wife that. Yeah. Jennifer Lopez. Yeah.
Yeah, brother. She is it's when my dad with my virgin, but through them and they reach and bossy. They don't know something sit down on the balcony. Like the man said to one of them, yo, papi, Danny English, you know. And the man said, Danny English. I said, what that, Fred? Why if you do that? Yo, believe me, in a less than an hour, the whole place full of people, man. Our police have here come the way the thing are going. The man come in there with his vehicle, brother. I be down in the street, and I see the one from sexy lady with him, brother.
Yeah, but.
They 20 times. Let me tell you, when the whole street get mad, it's when the man say, boom, bam, bam, and drop the door. Let me tell you, our police come for your autograph. Travel with this. Yes, brother. Believe me, man.
Yeah, man.
The bet you in the day.
See it there?
The bet you in the day. I never did plan for that excitement, brother.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? We never plan, but you know, we pray for the good enough. At general, we come down there, brother.
Of course. Yeah, man.
Anytime we go Bronx, man, I go downtown Bronx. People yo, I tell you. Yeah, man, I tell you, brother.
Yeah.
Some way that she's not a sweet part. You know the steps. Yeah.
We have to keep it clean, see it?
Yeah, brother. Miserable.
Yeah. Boom. All right. Yeah, man. Okay, so as I said before, everybody knows you more time because of the combination between you and Eggnog, because it is Q45, you are Q45, so natural thing, see? So, but as you know, I'm trying to stay away from the regular popular tune. If people are gonna play down in English, them now go play the tune with me, I go play right now. So that's the whole point.
Know that too.
Yeah, man.
Me know where they would have play, man. And you know where they would have play. So
yes.
You don't know.
So I want to go into another combination tune where you have with our next bad artist still. Again, it was another rhythm album with pure tune on it. This was in 2002. And this one was not on the album, but the tune wicked. So we have to put this in here for the sake of document. So this is tune number 4. So I mean, you were on many of the baddest labels and worked with the baddest producers in history. And this for me was one of the baddest rhythms of 2002. It was a bad man rhythm, you know. But you did fix up one neat little gal tune on it. But anyway, so more music, less talking. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend that is Danny English. So chat about reggae with Candyman 45 Shop. Tune number 4. But already, listen lyrics, combination. All right. We're not even gonna tell you how. All right, you all right?
Yeah, man. You know we.
Yeah, man. Because you know, so we did trip out earlier. I hope that wasn't COVID, rude boy. Everything okay? You all right?
No,
yeah, man.
The covered, man. You know the COVID. The covered.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Yeah. Okay. Boom. So let me go into the thing.
Boom, bam, bam. Boom, bam, bam. Zoom check. Boom, bam, bam. For the ladies. Boom, bam, bam. Boom, on your look. Go. In a million ways, you are me. Have you ever did your ears?
That English.
They praise
Yo, people, listen to you. Wait till English come in and mash up the place. All right, zoom to your wagwan.
Kick out your foot good, because you look good. You know who wants to go for pressure, no for cook good. You know who stop good, your mama say you look good. Have your education, you're afraid of the book good.
Everything you got, they want this it in love. Every night someone that tell us you get it can't go. And then subtract, speak and not chat go. You say them a good that when they take it, them not good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, they done jack, man. If you know, man, everything tough, brother. Got the competition out there now.
Yeah.
You know.
Boom. Brother, that tune, the bad, the star, but not lie. Straight.
Yeah, brother. Real bad, brother. Real bad.
So,
yo.
Yeah.
Big up Zunze.
Yeah, man.
Then at the army in the States still, but you don't know.
Yeah, man. Big artist.
Still the music.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Zunze, man. Real youth, man. I'm from that, man.
Yes.
Straight. Likewise, Alazir. You see what I mean?
Yes.
Alazir, I'm a party, I'm a charger. Every day I'm on him there road.
Yes.
You know the thing, though.
Yes.
Every day I'm on him there road, so you know the thing, though.
Well, you need to tell him to me I come.
Yeah, man. You know how to put him. Yeah, man, I have to make him know, brother. You don't know. Yeah, man.
Find him. Yeah, man. Don't know. So tell us the story behind that tune there, because that tune was voiced. It was CJ Records, which is Jammy's business. Jammy picked it up. So
yeah.
How did that come about?
Yeah. Oh, go on. I never really nothing planning up. Watch how go on. Go to the studio and see CJ them and Zunje them in the studio already my play now.
Yeah.
And them are doing rare, but here I go on. I pitch in my voice, you know. I change the whole spice, and the man them say song right away, you know. At me, you know. You see what I mean? I never know the plan, man. I know when they made it. When they made it, sure.
Yeah.
When they made the voice, man, you don't know, everybody has to ready. So, yeah, man. I'm not itch, brother.
Yeah.
I tell you, them not itch.
Yeah. Boom. Niceness.
And nice, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Even so, you see the wall rhythm.
Yes.
It's a different thing, you know. Watch this go on and a history, you know.
Yes, please, yeah.
You know, say, when I do up a Lenky, I write this song. It was meet me at the party, all right. I write a song with him. They'll say yes. If your man say you want the best, and when they come to the bedroom, they'll do what the greatest. Hey, yes. And when I done write the song, you know, the song bad, you know. They say yes, you know. Watch you go on, you know. So I put the earphone over me down here, they do all the radio. Only thing I could have said, all the people in the house are ready for this. Girl, she can be ready for this. Just move that booty and ready for this. Boom, bam, bam. A freestyle, you know. Freestyle. Watch this now, man. And I say, hold on the Lenky. I was singer. I call him, I say, Eggnog, take a touch and come link me. No, Papa Dinton. Jaja. Yo. Eggnog forward, brother, and thing. So Eggnog forward. Now I say, Lenky. The singer that you know, him name Eggnog and thing. And right away, Lenky say, go around, you know. Your time, you know.
Boom.
It's when me even say boom, bam, bam. It was a mistake, you know. I say, Lenky, give me back my cook words. And General Degree, I say, you're mad? And that this make that stay. Come out, man, come out. Come out from under the voice.
Yeah.
I want to line at the bathroom advice, you know. Lenky then in the bedroom, and we in the bathroom of voice. We do my part first in the bathroom.
Mad.
At the bathroom sound bad, you know.
Yeah.
You know the thing come back, brother.
Yeah.
Bathroom sound bad, brother. You're a magic working up that ear now.
Bad.
Me no write the next verse them, you know. I'm just going the way the rhythm bad, you know. I say, rolling in the drop top, cruising in the bed, and I pray if you don't make no mistake, you know.
Wow.
Wow. DJ and I play this, I chop about through, you know. So when we reach 8 bar and close, I'm listening, make we listen that. The man them say, come on.
Wow.
The man them not even want to listen the way it perfect. Yo, a magic work, brother.
Wow.
Magic, I'm going to tell you this. Lenky, the whole of the artists and the business, the rhythm and they run Lenky, you know.
Yeah.
That's a kind of nice noise, the rhythm that, you know.
Yeah. Mad.
Until so we are go with that. Being the man them said he say when the rhythm bust, he make some little pebbles and lick on him in that thing. When him look at being him, I said, what the rhythm? What?
Mad.
Everybody looking for the rhythm.
Yeah.
One man make that happen. You hear that?
Mad.
And the English hear that.
Yes.
You see the level?
And you know the
Me
wickedest
make
thing?
everybody.
As a selector, me now lie. May I tell you this straight? Because you have some heavyweight artists on the rhythm there. And
Yeah.
even though the killer them, the Beanie Man, them Spragga, Sasko, Bling Dog, some bad artists on it, General Degree, and at the very end of the day, after all this time, whenever that rhythm they play in a dance, your tune must play. Every
You never
single
know.
time. Mad.
But watch this now. Me see for myself in America, I'm going to the white people them club. Because I have a brethren, I love party with white women. So when we go in at the club, I done English alone play on the dual in at the white people them club, brother.
Yes, yes, yes,
You can
definitely.
I'm passing them on the wall of them.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes Sean Paul play, me, Sean Paul, and Wayne Wonder.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
English must play.
And the Sean Paul and
you.
Wayne Wonder, they had promotion that went everywhere. They had videos that came on MTV and everything. And your tune was not promoted like that, but it just so bad it have to play.
All right. My song, yo, my song a Trinity, you know, man, a magic man.
Straight.
A magic
madness.
Yo, the first night it played on the weekend, brother.
Yeah.
If me not tell us about 45 minutes and play the one song, I saw me sit down and I listen.
Wow.
And people call my phone and say, yo, that song you had the biggest song Jamaica. I go see people call me and I say, yo, if them I say, you know where though? And me sit down and I'm like, to them people here, brother. Them I tell me about my song.
Yeah.
After me they go and watch the glory where I go on and I analyze too. Them analyze for us though. I tell the brother that yo, the whole Jamaica call me and say, yo, the biggest song Jamaica. I go say, yo.
Yeah.
I go tell about this song about Miami, you know. And Miami first in the world, it bus, you know. It bus a Miami for Jamaica the way it bus past Miami, you know.
Yeah.
And I tell you what going on.
Wow.
This stuff we play on the radio. You know, him have him advert it, them set out when thing him go advert. And gone a bathroom. I don't know if I God do it. God just push the advert and I do all the come on with an English, you know. And it plays straight, you know, till it come from out of the bathroom, you know. It's when them take it off of the radio. The people them call and say, play back that song. Yo, let me tell you this, man. I know them always net up and always have them net always and people are listening.
Yeah.
The whole of New York and the whole of everybody in the world start calling for the song, brother. It just blow a magic. When it blow a Jamaica, it a blow in a Miami. And I tell you, yo, when we go Miami, you know, it's God at Jamaica, Jerusalem call me a Miami, you know.
Yeah, wow.
Believe me, brother.
Yeah.
All in New York, Jamaica, Jerusalem call me.
Yeah. Mad.
Yo, Chacha, you know, the thing tough, brother.
Of course. Definitely. That's mad. That's mad. That's mad.
Soon as I bring a girl come, a Jamaica come voice over back.
Yeah.
The Jerusalem. That'll be the long.
Uh-oh. Don't go. Uh-oh. Okay, we might have lost Danny English. We have lost Danny English, but hopefully we get him back. All right, let's just reset this. And, hold on. See him there? Okay, boom. Yeah. You can hear me, yeah? Boom, boom.
Everything
boom.
up, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Everything up.
Boom, boom, boom. All right, yes. Oh, man, this, you know what? I'll say this. I say this because I have to say it. You know, you can spend money, you get it back. You lose a gal, you get 4 back or whatever. But you see time, once it's spent, you can't get that back. So I'm very grateful to you, Mr. Danny English, for spending your time here with me and us here with this forum in this forum to discuss this history, because this is information that nobody in the world in this sense has ever heard before. So thank you so much. I'm eternally grateful for this. Man. Definitely. Janu. Janu.
Yeah, man, big up the whole London, man. You don't know it, you know. Big up the whole of my friend them are there from Jamaica, 35 lane straight. You know, we never change. A money clothes and girl alone we change. One lala Boston English, man. Everything no up. You don't know Candyman. And no respect, man. Yeah, everything tank up.
Yes, sir.
Fully straight.
Yes, sir. All right, so boom. So we're gonna go to our last song that we want to discuss here, but I want to play this one to show people the versatility, because people, obviously we know you as a DJ, but I want to show people that, you know, there's other sides and there's dimensions, there's things you do with your voice that different artists, you know, certain artists can't read certain range. So I just want to show the depth of your genius and your legend. So this tune is I said I was going to play one combination tune with you and Zumji, but I am going to play another combination tune on this one. So we're going to play it and then we're going to talk about it. So this is 2006, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is the legend that is Danny English, and we're going to play a combination tune. Hear that tune, yeah.
I love it till the day I die. Because you're my girlfriend. That's all I wanna know. If you love me true, baby, don't let it show. My girlfriend, don't change your love for me. If you love me, set me free like you're my girlfriend. That's all I wanna know. If you love me true, baby, don't let it show. My girlfriend, don't change your love for me. If you love me, set me free like the fish is in the sea. She wants me pussy from the food, she gave me married. Me know she not gonna skip from the English territory. Just don't you please me know she ain't ordinary. She know that straight up belly. She don't want me cemetery. Your body round and you lift the feet like a cherry. Them ask me if me love you, want me tell them very, very. We do it now, like me say it more than necessary. I'm talking permanent and temporary. You're my girlfriend.
So,
a murder, brother.
Yo, so, you know, we had two different artists that I want to choose. So Danny English and who? Brethren, not to the band. What?
True.
Yeah, man. So, I mean, you could have all sing the whole tune still, because the vocals were just mad. So tell us about that tune.
Brother. Yes, brother. Straight. You don't know enough love, brother. That song there. Yo, watch out now. You know, say, it's a vibes in my world. Me and Cecile them too, you know. Yeah, that is true, that I will have vibes. I think Cecile left on the rhythm, I don't sure, you know, but in the studio with the whole vibes, and Cecile them come in and watch, you know, Eggnog did for sing it and can't sing it.
Oh, okay.
I said, oh, you sing and you can't sing it, brother. And I said, ready, you know, come now, the rhythm left me, you know. I said, that rhythm now left me, so here, and me write my song, I go sing my song.
Yeah, boom.
Yeah, man. I'm going to go around them and I say, one thing as a teacher ever tell me, you know, a music teacher, you know, because the teacher hear my vocals, you know, and ask me, which school am I going to? I'm saying, no, I'm never going to music school yet.
Wow.
Every day training do this, you know. And she said, so, oh, your pitch so perfect and thing. And I said, I just said, me,
yeah.
I don't know, I just love it. I'm just do it, brother.
Yeah.
Yo.
Mad.
So when we remember that, she said, as long as you hold the key, the song have to sound good.
Yes.
Hear how you sing. You
yeah.
say, yeah. Yeah, go try it, you know. You're my girlfriend, that's all I want to know, Mr. E. Ready? Shoot. All right, we'll make it in again. I say, all you have beat, you know. A joke. I say, a joke. I'll laugh at me and say, watch it. The song go out into the world and go on with things, brother. You see what I mean?
Yes.
You see Europe, I have to love Europe too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, them love English, brother. Them say
Definitely,
one voice.
definitely.
Europe. Every time I go to Europe, them say me have the voice of a God. And I say, what is? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
When I go to Europe, when they might interview me, man, them say me have the voice of a God, brother. And I say, God, no.
I true that, man. I true that.
And that's why I'm you know. That's why my thing happy still current like them little youth. That's why I'm happy bad same.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
No, but there's a little son right now. It's by next year.
Yeah.
In boss, in name J Blame are the baddest thing. Go on YouTube and see.
Boom. Yeah, we'll pre that. We'll check that out.
Now
Definitely.
make you know everything up, man.
Yeah, man. What you done know? Well, you know, say we have the link, so me know say that you don't want some of your tune them, so don't worry yourself.
Yeah, you know the thing go.
Yeah, man. Because I mean, what I'm noticing, I've interviewed a few artists, and what a common thing that people are talking about, they're saying that, you know, unfortunately, how the thing going in Jamaica, it come in like the culture.
Come like my mic cut off or something. It's low.
Oh, your mic
sound low.
For me, I sound
low.
It
sound low, brother.
My mic, yeah. I sound
you not
low.
Hear nothing.
You can't hear nothing.
It's low.
Okay.
I wonder if
let me. I'll log you out and then you come back
in.
Yeah? You can hear me now? You can hear me. Can you hear me?
Up.
No, you can't hear me. Boom. Yo, people on the live, yeah, you can hear me. All right, boom.
Nah, you're nothing better.
All right, you know what, Danny, may I go log him out?
Sure.
Bring him back in still. All right. Yes. Wow. Now, this is just amazing for me because again, in this reggae dancehall game, man, you had certain people that laid the foundation for how the music industry just exploded with all of these, you know, record labels signing this and signing that. So it's people like Danny English that paved the way and allowed these doors to open, even though they're closed now because it's all hype over quality, unfortunately. But anyway, everybody that tuned in, I want to say big up. Selector SP, Dust, Audi, Importer, people from all over the planet, man. Sugar Plum, respect. I mean, everybody from all over the place. We got Europe in the house, we've got Canada, we've got Jamaica, yeah, worldwide. So I might just have to do another session with Danny still because there's a lot more I'd like to talk about in terms of some of these tunes. And the other thing is that, you know, this guy, I mean, these guys, a lot of these artists, they're walking libraries. And I'm not, if I can help it, I'm not going to allow a Mr. Chicken situation to happen again, because just before Mr. Chicken passed, a week before, he was on my live or whatnot.